Hello everyone, and welcome back to Elias Cooks Delicious Food. I'm your host Elias Grayson, and this time around I'll be cooking something more sophisticated than before. You see, the last two episodes of this series were relatively short and simple due to the time constraints that the assignment deadlines provided me with. Now that those shackles are broken, my full potential can be unleashed in today's dish, the Southwestern Potato Scramble. I found this recipe on the aptly named website idahopotato.com, a site where there are endless recipes all centered around 100% certified Idaho potatoes. In addition to all these recipes, you'll find information regarding food service, which retailers sell these potatoes both inside the US and around the world, the whole potato industry, as well as some interesting mascots plastered around the site. But enough of the website introductions, let's get on to the recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper, half a cup of bell peppers, which are diced. You're going to need 1/2 cup of corn, fresh or frozen. You're going to need 1.5 cups of roasted potatoes with rosemary and garlic. About that. I discovered in the middle of cooking that on the website where this recipe is found, there is a hyperlink in the ingredients list where roasted potatoes with rosemary and garlic are. Clicking this leads to a whole new recipe that I was supposed to already have made before starting the Southwest Scramble, which was news to me, so just know that I made the roasted potatoes just before I needed to use them in the recipe. If you want to make the Southwest Scramble yourself, make sure that the first thing you do is make 1.5 cups of roasted potatoes with rosemary and garlic. And don't make the same mistake I did. I'll leave a link to both recipes in the description. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of chili pepper. And this is optional, but you can use half a cup of meltable cheese. But because this idiot's going to eat it, we're not going to. After you got your ingredients ready, you want to put 3 eggs, sour cream, and salt and pepper in a bowl. The amount doesn't matter, just season it with as much as you like, and whisk them around until they look about right. Then set the bowl aside. Up next, you want to dice your bell peppers into a 1/2 cup, or you can buy bell peppers pre-diced if that's your prerogative. Then you want to cut up your 1/2 cup of corn, fresh or frozen, and then you want to cut up your whole shallot. That was clean. Oh, that was pretty good. Now that you've got all your ingredients cut up, you're ready for the large skillet. In this skillet, you want to heat your 1 tablespoon of olive oil in it over medium heat. After that, you want to saute your diced shallot, your diced corn, and your diced bell pepper until they are tender and fragrant. Once they're looking good, you can add your roasted potatoes and chili powder and make sure to heat them all the way through. Next, you want to scoot all your veggies to one side and scramble the eggs. It's actually looking good. Okay. It's coming together quite nicely now, isn't it? Next up, you want to mix it all together thoroughly and add some cheese if you'd like to. Lastly, I didn't add any garnishes to my dish, but good things to garnish the scramble with are cilantro, scallions, avocado, and hot sauce. And there you have it, an excellent looking and tasting dish if I do say so myself. But we can't eat all this alone now, can we? Let's see what the critics think.
It's the greatest thing ever!
You kind of dropped it there. Was it that good?
Well, I just had to savor the moment, okay? It's not that big of a deal. It's really good, though. It's actually pretty good.
Nice texture, good taste, not too salty. A little on the bland side, but it's not too salty, which is what I prefer. I like the ingredients. It's good. Thank you.
Dude, you see? You wanna try the Southwest Scramble? You wanna try the Southwest Scramble? Alright, now sit. Lay down. Lay down. Good dog. Good dog. Did you like it? Did you like it, Duke? Did you like it? Did you like it? Oh, he's looking for more.
I want more.
Want some more? I'll give him more. I'll give him more. Alright, Duke. Sit. Good dog. Good dog. It tastes good. It tastes good. I didn't think he liked it. He's wagging his tail. I think he liked it.
We are here with the Southwestern Scramble, right? Tremendous scramble, okay? And no one knows cooking quite like Donald Trump, alright? I'll tell you that, but Elias Grayson, he's a close second. We call it close second, right? And I'm sure it'll be very good. Tremendous, they call it, right? Very good, right? Alright, folks, we're here with the Southwestern Food Scramble once again. I'm very looking forward to the Southwestern Scramble by great friend, great guy, Elias Grayson, right? Look at Elias Grayson, African American, right? We call it African American, so let's have a bite, shall we? It's quite good, alright? Quite good. And no one knows food quite like me, right? So if I say it's good, you know it's good, right? Donald Trump approves the African American seafood scramble, okay? It fell over, but the show goes on, folks. The show goes on.
Mr. President, it's not a seafood scramble. It's a
The Southwestern Scramble. Excuse my language. No one messes up quite like me, okay? So, doesn't matter.